My name is Christy. I am the HSEQ and Compliance Lead for Taylor Hopkinson, and today I'm at Ardgowan Primary in my hometown of Greenock to run a session for Wind4Kids. So during these sessions, we do a little bit of theory with the kids on wind, how it works, how wind turbines work, and then they build their own wind turbine. We can then test that. Sometimes we do it outdoors if we have the correct conditions, so we'll see today because it's not very windy. We also have an industrial sized fan so that we can also do the experiments indoors.
So they brought kits and taught the children about wind energy, and the children were then able to build their own wind turbines and use different skills and working groups to solve the problem and work out how to make the wind turbine. So they were using sort of communication skills, group skills, leadership skills and problem solving skills to work out what parts to use and where to put them and to work together collaboratively on that. They had a great time. They're all really engaged in it. They really enjoyed it.
Anytime we run these sessions, the kids are really engaged, they really enjoy it. They even enjoy the theory part, they ask a lot of questions, they especially enjoy the practical element of it, and they are all absolutely budding renewables experts. So over the next decades, we're going to have to triple our renewable energy output in order to meet net zero targets. One of the ways that we're going to meet the labour needs for that is by engaging young people at a young age and get them interested in STEM subjects, engineering and renewables. These sessions are all about inspiring the next generation of renewables leaders. We really hope that some of the children we do these sessions with will go on to have really long and productive and exciting careers in renewables. So we're all very proud at Taylor Hopkinson to be able to partner with the Brunel Foundation and Offshore Wind4Kids to achieve that.
I think a lot of them are starting to think about possible careers in green energy, and some of them are thinking about climate change and wanting to be part of that and jobs that they could do in that area. So yeah, I think it's had an impact.